Welcome to Lingo Tree Let's Speak Italian online series. In today's episode you will learn how to count in Italian. Let's go straight into it.
0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10
Have you memorized the numbers 1 to 10? If yes, now, try to say in Italian the numbers you see appear.
Undici, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Have you memorized the numbers 11 to 20? If yes, now, try to say in Italian the numbers you see appear. Were you able to complete all the exercises correctly? If not, before moving on, go back and give it another try.
Dieci, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Have you memorized these numbers? If yes, now, try to say in Italian the numbers you see appear. Now, let's see how to count from 20 to 30. It's very easy. In Italian, 20 is 20. Use this for the first part and then later add the individual numbers in front of it. But remember, only 21 and 28 have a slight difference. Let's look at 21 first. As you can see in Italian, 20 ends with the vocal letter I. Number 1 also begins with a vocal letter U. We don't put two vocal letters near each other. Therefore, remove the letter I at the end of 20 and read number 21 as
21, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
You can apply this method to all the other numbers from 20 to 100. Look at the following examples. Congratulations, you have made it to the end. Can't wait to see you on our next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.